Hi, I'm Smriti. I'm an artist and small business owner. I run my small handmade business here from Mumbai and we called it as Moony Lips, where I create stationery, stickers, and you can say beaded charms too. But basically, it's everything and anything cute. Since it started getting rain in Mumbai, my gallery is filled up with greenery and different kind of flowers. I'm quite drawn towards them. That's why I decided why not create a sticker sheet around them where I can add some flex and some sticker sheet so you can utilize them using journaling and different things. And we can call this all as a monsoon bloom. This is my first video and your girl is pretty anxious and nervous. That's why I'm holding this cry baby. She's giving me courage to go through all the process, but still I am going to take you through design and creation process, so bear with me because I genuinely have no idea how it will go. Just got changed into super comfy clothes. Now I'll be more confident while doing anything for today. I have two goals for today. First is collecting all the references because without references it will be hard for me to imagine and draw everything. And second will be draft them in a way that they will go good with the aesthetic of Moony Loops or my shop. So whenever we print all this stickers or sticker sheet, it will make us more proud. So yeah, let's get started. I didn't overthink it. I just started drawing whatever my hand wanted to. And slowly, all the stickers started taking shapes. Some of those are crossed immediately, some kept coming back to me. That's usually how it goes, and then we have the right one. By the end of the day, I had the base ready. Not perfect, but enough to move ahead. Hi guys, so today is second day and I'm pretty much comfortable while talking to you guys, but we have tasks to complete. For that we have to lock in for a day because the base and the outline for all the stickers are completed. Now it's time to color them and make them ready for final print and the cutout. But before it started, let me have this. I use different platforms to maintain print standard. With different software, you get leverage to use a lot of functions, so your work gets done so much faster. If you create something in RGB and you can later on change the color using the profiles in Photoshop for that perfect print. For me, Photoshop will be always the final stop before loading everything into the cutting software. So day 3 is evening and I'm done with the all sticker sheet. It finally time we can upload them into the software for that final draft so we can print and then we can cut them. This is the part I always get nervous about. Everything looks good and perfect on the screen, but printer has its own opinion sometimes. So yeah, you have to be precautious. Hi friends, good morning. So today is Monday and I didn't even imagine how this fast time fly. But yeah, we have done with everything, all the process, and until you are seeing this video, all the sheets will be live on the site and I'm so grateful for this moment. And thank you so much for watching me designing and creating this whole sticker sheet process. I'm super grateful for this moment because I almost feel like I'm starting new chapter in my business growth journey. So yeah, stay uncomfy, stay anxious and be more happy. And until next time, sayonara.
I'm hushing the dog on the chain. I'm running up stones on the edge of the bank. Rally